Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're taking a look at the Quadratec powered automatic build aluminum mirror movers for the 2011 and up Wrangler JK with existing power heated mirrors. Now there's nothing like cruising down the road in your Wrangler with the top down and the doors off, but when you pull your doors off, well, the mirrors go with them, leaving you with limited rear visibility and, depending on where you live, possibly not meeting your local state mirror requirements. Now, our Quadratec powered automatic built aluminum mirror movers feature a patented design that, once installed onto the windshield A-pillar, stay on the Jeep even when you remove your doors. And more importantly, they keep the mirror head in the factory position on both the driver and passenger side for the optimum rear visibility out of your side view mirrors, either with or without your doors on your Jeep. Now, the key to keeping the mirrors in that OEM location is that the automatic mirror movers swing out when you open your doors and right back into place when you close them for the perfect side view mirror position. Now, when you're ready for some doors off fun, you simply swing the mirror out and insert the included Allen key to lock the mirror into the open position. Then you can remove your doors as usual and finally remove the Allen key to allow the mirror to automatically swing back into the factory location for the best side view visibility possible. Now, these mirrors may look similar to the automatic mirror movers that have been available for a while, but don't let those looks fool you. The powered automatic mirror movers provide a complete plug-and-play installation that retains all of your existing factory power mirror functions. Now, Quadratec's exclusive automatic powered mirror mover kits include new power mirror heads, both with defroster features and servo motors that allow you to adjust both the driver and passenger mirrors using the existing factory dashboard switch. Now, they work with all 2011 and up Wranglers that were originally fitted with factory power mirrors. We include a custom T-harness that simply plugs in place between the existing body and door connection in both the driver and passenger footwells to provide power to allow you to make remote mirror adjustments even with the doors off. To start, we need to remove the existing power mirrors on your Jeep. You'll need to remove your inner door panel first to disconnect the electrical connection inside the door. You may have one or two plugs depending on the year of your Wrangler. First, remove the two T20 torx screws on the lower front of the door panel. Using a panel tool, pop off the cover behind the door handle. Use a T20 torx driver to remove the screw you just revealed, then remove the trim plate from around the door handle and lock button. Next, use a panel tool to pop off the trim plate on the door grab handle. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the two screws hidden behind the panel you just removed. Now you can remove the door panel. There are 10 clips holding the panel to the door. Using a panel tool, pry the panel off the door in the location of the panel clips. Lift the door panel up and out of the window channel. Then disconnect the wire harness from the door lock button. Depending on the year of your Wrangler, you may have a single large mirror electrical connector or two smaller electrical connectors for the power mirror and defroster functions. Unplug these connectors, then unclip the wiring from the harness clips and feed the wiring through the door. Using the included T40 torx key, remove the two screws securing the mirror to the door. Make sure to support the mirror so it doesn't fall. Now you can remove the mirror, carefully feeding the wiring harness out through the door. Install the included filler plate reusing the T40 mirror screws. You can now reinstall the door panel by reversing the previous steps. Don't forget to reconnect the electrical connector for the door lock button. Remove the 6 existing T40 Torx screws on the windshield hinge plate. Carefully remove the plate and set it aside. Locate the driver's side mirror with the attached wiring harness. Route the wiring behind the cowl body panel. Reinstall the windshield hinge plate and loosely install all 6 Torx screws to confirm proper alignment. Then remove the lower 2 screws. Be sure the wiring harness is seated in the recessed channel, then install the gasket. It can be helpful to insert one of the Torx screws to keep the gasket in position while placing the assembly on the Jeep. Neatly tuck the wiring under the mirror and install the second Torx screw, then tighten all 6 Torx screws. Route the wiring through the cowl using zip ties to secure it. Install the passenger side mirror following the same wire routing as the driver's side. Then run the wiring across the engine bay, securing it to the existing wire loom with zip ties. Locate and remove the grommet on the driver's side firewall. Both the driver and passenger harnesses will pass through this hole. If your Jeep has a factory installed hardtop, the rear washer fluid hose will pass through this grommet as seen here. Using a razor blade, cut an X in the grommet. Then pass each of the wiring harnesses through the grommet and into the cabin of your Wrangler. Then you can reinstall the grommet into the firewall. Moving to the interior of the Jeep, reach up under the dash and unplug the driver door electrical harness connector. Locate one of the 2 T-harnesses and install it, plugging it in between the door harness you just disconnected. Then plug the connector coming from the driver's side mirror into the 3rd connection on the T-harness. Attach the new T-harness Christmas tree connectors into the factory mounting holes. Remove the carpet retainer clips in the driver footwell and pull the carpet down so you can route the passenger side mirror harness behind the carpet. Reinstall the retainer clips by simply pushing them onto the retaining posts. Now fish the wiring over the transmission tunnel below the center console into the passenger side footwell. And just as you did on the driver's side, remove the carpet retainer clips in the passenger footwell, folding the carpet down and tucking the wire harness behind the carpet, and then reinstall the clips. Disconnect the passenger side door electrical connector under the dash in the passenger side footwell. Locate the remaining T-harness and install it in line, connecting it to the door harness. Connect the passenger side mirror wiring harness to the T-harness, making sure to tuck all wiring back under the dash and secure it with zip ties. And that's all it takes to get the Quadratec powered automatic mirror movers installed on your Wrangler. Now, if you want to get more information or purchase a set for your Jeep, well, you can simply click on that info button to head over to quadratec.com. And if you have any questions for us, well, you can leave them for us in the comments section below or contact us directly at any of the options you see on the screen. And if you haven't already, you want to make sure you hit that subscribe button so you're sure to catch all of our latest videos, and hit that thumbs up button if you liked today's video. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.